And now we're going to hear from our great weather specialist, Stephen Bellina. Steve, what do we got to look forward to?
Good evening, Montreal. I'm Stephen Bellina, and this is the Suburban Weather Minute. We're coming to the end of April, which has been a rather wet month in the Montreal region. With the rain that fell over the course of this past week, we've now exceeded 100 millimeters. That's over 4 inches of rain for the month. On top of that, we had 26.2 centimeters of snow, and that included a trace of snow on Wednesday morning behind a rather strong cold front. It was the second strong cold front this week that has resulted in quick temperature drops. Last Sunday evening, a week ago, we had some thunderstorms actually late in the evening that moved across the Montreal region, quickly dropping temperatures, strong winds, set up a very cold Monday. We even had some graupel. Graupel, often confused as hail. As a matter of fact, it's called soft hail. It likes to occur on the edges of the season when we have a cold pool of air aloft in the upper atmosphere, typically occurring in April and October, but it can occur at any time of the year. It tends to be very small, less than 5 millimeters in diameter. It's basically a super cooled snowflake. And typically melts quickly, but there was some that did fall last Sunday evening. It accumulated in some neighborhoods, but as I said, it did melt away quickly. The same occurred with Wednesday morning snowflakes that again accumulated in off-island locations, but was very short-lived. The sun came out in the afternoon and temperatures steadied. There was a rapid temperature drop though on Wednesday. We went from 10 Celsius at 9 in the morning down to 1 Celsius. So it was quite a strong cold front. Those are going to become less and less as we head into the month of May. Matter of fact, looking ahead, the weather looks to warm up quite quickly this week. We're looking at highs into the low 20s for many of us, and that's going to include some showers and thunderstorms at times. As we're heading into that season. Thunderstorm season is right on our doorstep. It is going to be an unsettled week. There is a lot of opportunity for some showers, but none of the days look like washout. The key takeaway here is that as we head into the first 2 weeks of May, we are looking at temperatures to warm considerably, and that is welcome after we had a rather coolish April. You can always get an update on the weather at thesuburban.com under the blog tab, the Suburban Weather page. Until next time, I'm Stephen Bellina.
Thank you, Steve. And we'll be back, Mark Ledbetter and his special guest, right after we check in at the CJD Traffic Center.